SMMA is honestly dead, and you've been hearing about this for a while now, but the culprit of this today is AI. Here's how you can adapt to this ever-changing space to future-proof yourself and get you to the millions. So I've been running a $75,000 a month agency for the last couple of years now, and I've been seeing a lot of changes in these last few months amongst the rise of AI automation agencies known as AAA. I too am diving headfirst into the AI game. I'm actually pumping thousands of dollars a month building our own AI creative strategy software at paidadvertising.com. I want to show you how I'm adapting to this AI era and how I'm not only adapting to it but thriving by leveraging AI in my agency processes. Look, social media marketing agencies were a great business to start back then. It was a great value exchange and a lot of customers wanted to work with SMMAs. So there was a good balance of supply and demand. However, a lot of these service-based business owners were actually glorified freelancers who made our reputation of SMMAs worse throughout the years, and now they've just commoditized what a marketing agency really is. The reason is because most of these brands now can just get somebody to do it cheaper than you, and then the next day they get somebody cheaper than the cheaper person, and it's just a race to the bottom at this point. And now with AI, it's honestly the same problem but worse. It's probably tenfold now because it even replaces those cheaper freelancers. So now this problem is just cascading into an ever-growing snowball. But now even media buyers, which basically is what most agencies are running off of, right? Media buying as a whole is also commoditized because of the machine learning and AI advancements that platforms like Meta, Google, or TikTok have made these last few years. And now we're seeing AI automation agencies rise. What is an AAA? Well, an AAA essentially is a business model that uses AI as the primary driving force in the services that they offer. So that could be building chatbots, building onboarding assistants, textual assistants, even AI voice changing softwares, right? We're seeing a lot of that. So implementing essentially like an AI voicemail features for customers. Those are all ways that you can leverage AI to build an AI automation agency. And look, the best news that I have for you in this video is that you don't need to throw your business away. You don't need to fire your 5, 10, 15, 20 clients you've already amassed with all the hard work you've put into now start an AI agency. You won't get replaced if you're pivoting to an AI agency. That is a small caveat. You don't need to be an AI automation agency, but you can be an AI powered SMMA like I've been now for the last 6 months. So now what I want you to do as an actionable step in this video, if you are running an agency or you're about to start one, will analyze your entire business, the ins and outs. More specifically, your service delivery and acquisition. Where can you integrate AI within it? I've done it as an example within my service delivery because I know that as an agency owner, the most important part in my service-based business, well, it's the service, right? It's the value I deliver to my clients, because if the clients stay longer and if the clients keep on coming back month to month, well, we're gonna get better case studies. We're not gonna have to spend as much on marketing. And last but not least, referrals keep on growing. So my customer acquisition cost actually just decreases with time. What I've done is actually replace most, if not all, of our creative strategy process and part of our creative editing entirely through AI. Not only have I been building creativestrategy.ai, so our own software since the start of this year, which is just about to launch to the public in these next few months, but we've also used softwares that are publicly available like 11 Labs, which can help you create entirely AI-based voiceovers to update and create unlimited amount of iterations for your UGC videos. So now once you've audited your entire business, you divide your observations into departments: growth, service delivery, operations, finances, etc. And then you identify, just like I did, the areas where AI can actually help you in. You list out all the main tasks that do happen on a recurring basis, and you try and see where can you either add AI to remove part of that task, but ideally remove the entire task. Last year, same time, we were doing roughly 20% less in revenue, but we had actually more than twice the size of the current team. We had 12 team members working at our agency. Now, part of the service delivery team is only composed of 6 to 7 team members. Not only that, we've made, as mentioned earlier, 20% more money by doing so. We've reduced this gap and increased profits by leveraging AI in our service delivery processes. CreativeStrategy.ai, the software we're building, literally replaces an entire creative strategist. It does your market research, it looks into your competitors, it essentially creates persona profiles, gives you all the potential ad angles, desires, pain points that you should be targeting, and then it gives you the ad scripts, how you should edit your ads, and helps you track performances of all of your ads in the future and learns on that to help you create better scripts. And that is coming out towards the end of the summer. We've been privately testing this software internally since the month of April now and have been working on it since February of this year. So super excited to get this to come out. We've opened up a wait list now to get people into the ecosystem and then keep you in touch with the updates. So stay tuned for that. There's going to be a link in the description down below if you to join our wait list for creativestrategy.ai. And if you want us to simply plug and play our entire agency systems, the way that we do creatives, the way that we structure a team, literally go out there, hire, find, and place, and train an entire marketing team for your agency based on these AI principles. So build you a lean team or restructure your existing agency. Well, we can give you what we call our ad engine through our new ad engine program. So that will also be linked in the description down below for you to check out. So on that note, make sure you check out other videos on the channel for some more useful e-commerce marketing tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.